Hey guys, it's Normal here, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today guys, we'll be reviewing another money making app called Cash Pirate. This app is an app in which you complete small tasks and in return you receive points which you can convert into PayPal cash and also gift cards. So this app can be found on the App Store and also the Android or Google Play Store. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So as you can see, the first thing that you see is the tip of the day. And it says, thanks for using Cash Pirate. Please know, we have a new policy. Going forward, it's allowed to use only one device per account, to register one account per device, and to have one account per person. This is to protect our sponsors' interests, your Cash Pirate teams. So, as you can see, this also has privacy policies and also rules that you must follow. And directly below that, you see the top offer, which is an offer called niche worm. That's kind of hard to pronounce, and it says that you must download and run this free app now and earn 20 coins. So as you can see there, that this app you can install different apps and then you will earn coins for installing and running those apps. And below that you can see balance. Here is where after I complete the task, here is where my points will be shown. So at the top where you see 75, that is the amount of coins I currently have now that can be or may be cashed out. But where you see 50 and pending in the bracket, that is showing that these coins, the offer for that is not completed yet, and you are in the process of receiving those coins. Below the balance section, you see the goal section. Here is where you can set a specific goal for a specific reward, and the app will give you the percentage or how much of the goal you have completed. And when this reach 100%, that simply means that you can receive that reward. And beneath it you see the referral. So yes guys, this simply means that this app has a referral system, and for direct referrals you earn 10% of what that referral earns. But indirect referrals, these are referrals such as when you refer to a direct referral, when that direct referral refers to someone else, that someone else becomes an indirect referral. So you would receive 10% for direct referrals and 5% for indirect referrals. So right now I'll be showing you the earn coin sections. So as you can see, you have the overview, the earn coin section, the redeem coin section, the referral section, and the account sections. So let's go into the earn coin section. So at the top you can see new pirate picks. Look out for our pirate picks. Retention offer with higher payouts. Keep these apps on your device for at least 3 days to claim your reward. So as I showed you before, at the balance section you notice that there was a pending mark beside my $50 coin. So that simply means that I was doing a pirate pick, but I don't have the app on my device for at least 3 days yet. So I must keep the app for at least 3 days for me to receive my coins. So with that explained, let's go into the pirate picks. Oh, and before I move into the pirate picks, there are two sections in this earn coin section. There is pirate picks and sponsor pay. Before I check the sponsor pay section, and at the moment they do not currently have any task. But in the sponsor pay section, this is when some sponsors of the Cash Pirate app will give you similar task as the app would give you in the pirate picks. So let me show you the pirate picks. So in the pirate picks you can see that at the top it says golden pharaoh free, and in the description it says difficulty, which is 3 star. That means it's really hard. And the further description says simply complete the short journey and score 100% at the end to earn your reward. But this is not a app which you could install. But however, this is a task, like it would be a survey in which you would complete, and if you get everything right, which would be equivalent to 100%, you will receive 40 coins. And here's another one that named Catch the Unicorn Fast. And here we would reach into the install and run. Here all you have to do is just install and run this app. You just have to run this app for like 1 minute, and then you just go back into the Cash Pirate app, and then you will receive your coins. So as you can see, you have apps such as Momato, Free Bricks, the Niche Room as I showed you before, Goalie Sport, Linus. Down at the bottom you see P2 sample survey wall. So this is another wall in which you would create a profile for that survey wall, and then they would from time to time send you surveys. But at the moment I have not created any profile as yet. So there's one more thing I wanted to show you. So at the bottom it says more offers coming soon, and so it says check back over the next few weeks. We are constantly adding more offers and partners. So when you complete these tasks every single day, they are constantly adding more partners and getting more offers so that you can complete. So now let's move into the referral section. Before I want to referral section because it's also another way you can earn coins, before I move into the redeem coin section. So let's get into referral section. Here is where you see your referrals. At the moment I do not have any referrals. And as you can see, when I click latest referrals, you see 3 headings come up. You see latest referrals, top referrals, and most level 2 referrals. So yes guys, and these are the 3 different types of referrals in which you can have. So when you come to the referral section, you would press one of these, and you're basically filtering the referrals so that you can see the different type of referrals that you have. And so let's move into the redeem coin section. But guys, before we move into the redeem coin section, if you stay and watch till the end of the video, I will share you a key tip that will allow you to cash out your money when you have gained the right amount of coins to cash out to PayPal or with gift cards. So guys, I need you to stay till the end to get that key point, because most persons skip the video or come off the video in the middle, and they always just download the app and then they do not make any money from these apps. So guys, stay with me and I will give you a key tip in which you will make money from this app. So let's move into the redeem coin section. As you see, it's currently loading. So yes guys, in this section here is where you will then convert your coins into PayPal Cash and other gift cards. At the moment it says global, so this is an app that can cash out worldwide, but the only thing worldwide is through PayPal. But even if, as you can see, you're not in United States, Germany, United Kingdom, France, or not in the other 2 countries, you can still click on US and still cash out from Amazon and other gift cards, because you do not have to be in the US to use these gift cards. And another way in which you can redeem your coins is through mobile recharge. and you, as you can see, and all the the brackets, the parts, all the different ways to cash out, you see set as goal. You see a set as goal mark at the bottom of each. So this is what I was telling you about before. So you would set them as goal, and then you can see the progress you're making to achieving that goal. And guys, another section we're going to is the referral section. No, oh, I'm sorry, we were here before. Last section I want to show you is the my account section. Here is where you would see your details and everything, your total earnings, your pending earnings, your current balance, everything. So I will come off of this because I don't want to give too much of my information away. But yes guys, the key tip that I was sharing with this is, guys, ensure that if you're using this app, ensure that you log into it every single day, because some people have visit the website and most people are annoyed because when they reach the certain amount they can't cash out. This is an app that you have to check on it every day. So guys, if you do not check on it every single day, guys, and then you reach a time in which you are ready to cash out, maybe you will not be able to, because you have not checked in regularly. So guys, follow this instruction and check in regularly. So guys, if you want to see more ways to make money by using your mobile phone at home, subscribe to my channel and like or leave a comment down below. And guys, I will leave in a link in the description below so that you can easily find the app and download the app for yourself to start making some money. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.